Yeah, hello everyone, you're welcome. Hobby Life with Ike Fellow. Today I'm craving coconuts, fresh coconuts. So I need some fresh coconut water and I also want a snack, just to enjoy fresh coconut meat. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. I have a coconut tree, let's go. Yeah. My premises, I have a coconut tree. So just gonna get to the tree, harvest a couple of coconuts. I will be good. Yes, we are here. This is the Yellow Grove Bridge. Why I love this coconut is that it allows you to pluck by hand. Doesn't grow too tall, and by the time it gets really tall, you'll have enjoyed lots of harvest. So I think this is okay here. This one is this is good. Yes, this is good. Okay, and this one of the best ways to harvest coconuts when you get to the tree is to just grab the coconut itself and twist it. Twist, 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 and there we go. Yeah, yeah. We're good. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. So right here, it's now time for me to remove the husk and peel off the coconut so we can get to the coconut inside. And then enjoy our freshly harvested coconuts. See, you can hear that? That is fresh coconut water. So I'll go get the knife now. Then we start peeling. So now I have my knife. First, I just chop off this top part. Now, this is a technique I use. For me, it's very easy and it's very convenient. I beat around the coconut and I pull it off, and we have a very clean, beautiful coconut seed inside. So let's go. Beat, 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 beat. So now this has been thoroughly beaten. Next stage is to just pull it out like that. You make sure to go round while pulling it out. Yeah. So now we've gone round. The final step is just to pull. You grab a little chunk like this and you pull. You just grab and pull. See, that's the coconut. Grab and pull. We're almost there. That's one coconut already out. So we're going to do the same. We're going to repeat the process for this. So now I'm beating the second coconut. When I'm done beating the second coconut, I'll open it, I'll peel it off, and we'll have the second one like this. Now we're pulling off the husk like we did for the first one. So, so there we have it. Two beautiful coconuts. Now to get the water out, we'll look for the eye. Usually this is the eye. How do I know? It's kind of the one standing separate with lots of coconut meat. I think it's the meat at the external. So you scratch it. See, that's the eye. That place is usually the softest spot to get into the coconut for the water. After revealing the coconut eye, it's time to get the water out. Just go straight to this point and roll. You see how easy it is? See how easy it is? If you don't get the eye, you won't get, it won't go in. This is not the eye, this is not the eye. This is not the eye, this is not the eye. This is the eye. So now we're going to turn this into the cup. Just let it sit there while I open this other one. Okay, so while this one is going, we'll know what to do. So fresh coconut water from this coconut. Okay. All right, so now this is our coconut water, fresh from our coconut. Time to satisfy my craving. So refreshing. Wow. So until next time, get outside and see what you can find. Peace.